Perfect.
A fun day full of steam. Fourth grade students at Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts invited their parents into their related arts classrooms so they could see firsthand how they use science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. During the Letting Off Steam event, students performed a play about the solar system, used Legos to build the planets, and showed off their engineering skills by making parachutes out of recycled materials.
We were using recycled juice boxes from when we had breakfast, and coffee filters, and string and tape. You have to try to get to your soldier safely by making a parachute, and if it falls over or he falls out, then you have to try it again.
The students also showed how they use dance to help them learn science.
We did the water cycle, and first we did evaporation, then we did condensation, and then we did precipitation.
And got creative, sketching storyboards about different types of weather and storms.
Mine is called A Crazy Day at the Beach. So there's a couple people at the beach, then a tornado comes, and basically a lot of crazy stuff happens in the tornado, so one of them gets sucked up, and then at the end, the tornado goes away.
There were 7 STEAM-based activities for parents and students to participate in. At Hilton Head Island School for the Creative Arts, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.